Hello everyone, and welcome back to CNC Toolpath YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you one of the most important and quick steps in CNC programming using CATIA, the part and stock setup for pocket machining. This step is the foundation for accurate machining, so don't skip any detail. Let's get started. Go to the Start menu, then choose Mechanical Design. From here, click on Assembly Design Workbench. Now you are inside the assembly design environment. Go to Insert, Existing Component. Locate the folder where your part file is saved and open it. Repeat the same process again for your stock file. Now you can see both the part and the stock loaded in the assembly. Tip: you can easily hide or show the part and stock. Just expand the assembly tree, right-click on the part body, and use Hide Show. This helps you check alignment and visualize the setup clearly. Once everything looks correct, save the product file at your preferred location. This will allow us to proceed further with machining. Step 3. Switch to Machining Workbench. Go back to the Start menu, select Machining, and then open the Prismatic Machining Workbench. Now you are in the machining workspace. Step 4. Define Machining Reference. Double-click on Machining Reference in the tree. A dialog box will appear. Here, set the reference point for machining. Rename the machining reference as per your choice for clarity. Next, click on the center mark in the dialog box, then select a point from your part. Align the X and Z axes with your part. Note, this step can be a little tricky. Watch closely and take your time to align correctly. Once aligned, click OK to confirm the machining reference point. Step 5. Part Operation Setup Now. Double-click on Part Operation in the tree. The Part Operation dialog box will open. Here you can define Machine. Select your machine model. Part Geometry. Click on Part and locate the part body in the product tree. Stock Geometry. Click on Stock and locate the stock body in the product tree. Next, define the safety plane. Click on Safety Plane and select the top surface of your part. Give an offset value to maintain clearance. Confirm by clicking OK. Enable Collision Check. This is crucial for safety. Check the box for part. If you have a fixture, make sure to check fixture as well. Once all values are set, click OK. Finally, give a name to your NC file. This will be used when you post out the program. Go to Program Name, then select Pocket Operation. Closing scene. And that's it for today's tutorial. You've successfully set up your part and stock in CATIA and prepared the environment for machining. In the next video, we'll dive deep into pocket operations, exploring all the options and strategies you need to know. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to CNC Toolpath for more CNC programming and CAD/CAM tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.